We are having trouble. We are having trouble with your live video. Instagram is having trouble with my live video, people. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm bored. I'm quarantining myself. I'm self-isolating. It's been 3 days that I'm locking myself down, and I'm bored. I'm bored. Hammasi normal. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Rifat Uyghur. What happened to your hair? My hair? There's nothing happened to my hair. What's wrong with my hair? Nothing wrong. I'm now in London. I moved to London. I'm in England. Since I'm from France and I went to Istanbul, Turkey, I need to quarantine myself. I need to lock myself down for 14 days. That's why I'm quarantining, right? It's been 3 days and I'm bored. I'm bored, guys. Help me. Say something, people. Ask me some questions or say something. Let's play game. How about playing games? Would you like to play games? Would you like to play a game? Astaghfirullah. Short hair more suitable for you, I think. Yeah, Mikrai 0408. Yeah, I think I like longer hair. I like longer hair. I like this hairstyle anyway. Okay, would you like to play games? Who wants to play a game? Who wants to play an English game? Why did you move to London? Why not? Why not? Come to London, people. Are you a teacher? Aisha Hamid. Yes, I am. I am an ESL teacher. ESL. English as a second language teacher. To play the game. Okay, I want to play a game. There are two people. Monsieur Barthez wants to play games. And Güzelim wants to play a game. Would you like to play a game? Let's play a game. Last night. Wow, really happy for you. Congrats. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, I am in London. But I am quarantining. I'm locked down in my apartment, in my house actually. It's a nice house with a garden. I can go out in the garden and yeah, that's good. Are you still teaching? Now I'm on vacation, people. So let's play a game. Who wants to play a game? Raise your hand if you want to play a game. Raise your hand if you want to play an English a game in English, okay? Raise your hand. I'm gonna count here. Are you still teaching? Wow. Would you like to play games, Laya? İngilizce oyun oynayman deganlar qo'linglarni ko'taringlar sanab boqaya. Runya 1, 2, Mikray 2, Aisha Hamid 3, Monsieur Barthez 4, Güzelim 5. 5 people so far. If you are at least 10, I'm gonna... No thanks. No, thank you. I have to go. Okay, bye. What are you doing in London? I'm doing nothing. I'm quarantining myself in London. Okay, I'm quarantining. Okay, 5 people so far. Would you like to play a game? Would you like to play a game? Do you want to play a game in English? 5. You didn't like the French. You didn't like the French? There's nothing with liking or not liking French. The French. You mean the language or the people? Okay, I'll play. Okay, 6 people. Midnight here in Japan. Okay, I know. For job in London, yes. So 7, 8 people want to play game. Okay, 8. 2 more people I'm waiting for 2 more people raise their hands for playing a game in English. Come on, people. I'm always here. I know. 2 more people. Still waiting. Still waiting. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let me know if you're ready for playing a game in English. Please let me know, people, if you are ready for playing a game in English on live. Who wants to play a game? Would you like to play a game in English? Very easy, super easy game, okay? It's just a game. Ildos, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm kind of bored now. Me too, you're not alone. Güzelim 2013. Okay, so are you ready? Name. Are you listening, people? I'm kind of worried. Yeah, me too. Name 3 things rad. Name 3 things rad. I'm clocking. Who will answer this question real quick? Write the answer and send it to me. Yep. Okay, send the answer, please. Runya, guess it to be your life. Runya, let's talk about the price first. What do you want? What do you want from me? I have nothing, people. Apple, heart, blood. Hold on. Apple can be white. Apple can be in any color, okay? So this is not the right answer. Sorry, Ildos. Are you in Turkey? No, I'm not in Turkey. We're playing games, people. Name 3 things rad. Blood, Chinese flag. Okay, that's 2 things. Rose, blood, red hair. Rose can be in different colors, right? Laser. 3 things rad. You have to give me 3 items, 3 things that's rad. That's it. Is that a very hard question? Difficult? Cherry. Give me 3 things, not only 1 thing. Mars, Venus, tomato. Oh my god. What's wrong with you guys? Strawberry. Okay, but 3 things. I didn't say 1 thing rad. I didn't say give me 1 thing rad. I said 3 things rad. Blood, strawberry, cranberry. Okay. Strawberry. Okay. Runya 201. Okay, you are the winner. Okay? Congratulations. Okay, next question. Stop with the cherry blood thing, okay? Okay, time's up. Another question. Oh, we're done, people. We're done with the first question. Stop the tomato things, okay? Next question. You're welcome, Runya. You did well done. I'm trying to read the comments, okay? Okay, we're done with the first question. Question number 2. Listen carefully, people. You have to answer really fast, okay? And write it on the comment and send. And that's it, okay? First winner was Runya 2013. Question number 2. Name 3 fruits that starts with P, letter P. Go, write, give me the answer, send it to me. 3 fruits that starts with P, letter P. Go. Who is gonna be the winner? Answer the question, people. Answer the question. Okay, let me repeat the question. Name peach, pineapple, papaya, Ruqya Didi. Congratulations. Very good. Well done, Ruqya, well done. Peach, pineapple, papaya fruit. Okay. Thank you very much, Ruqya. Very good answer. Winner, pear, pineapple, peach. That's too late, Eldos. I'm sorry. There is winner is there. Ruqya is the winner. Okay. Now another question. Pizza, polo. You're funny. Arif Uyghur. Next question. Okay, we're done. We're done with the question number 2, and the winner is Ruqiyya DD. Okay, question number 3. Name. Listen carefully. Okay, you have to write the answer really quickly and send it to me as soon as you're done. You're finished. Name 3 U.S. presidents. Name 3 U.S. presidents, current or formal, whatever. Just give me the answer. Go. You're trying to answer the question number 3, Bush, Trump, Obama. Okay, Güzelim 2013 is the winner. Is that a hard question, people? Huh? Seriously? Obama, Bush, Trump. Mihrai, good, but you're late. Okay. Trump, Obama, Clinton. You're spelling wrong. Okay. But they're all good questions, good answers. But the winner is over there. Mihrai, I think the winner is Güzelim 2013. Güzelim 2013 was so much faster than you guys and answered correctly. So the winner for question number 3 is Güzelim 2013. Congratulations. Okay. Now question number 4. One more question. You have to be really fast. Okay. You have to give me your instant answer. You have to be really fast. I'm getting into it now. Okay. The internet speed is not very good. Oh yeah? Oh, your internet speed or my internet speed? Anyway, there were people so much faster than you, so sorry. Last question, okay? One more question. Last question. You have to be really fast. Really, really, really fast. Okay? Name 3 boys' name. Name 3 boys' name. Go. The easiest question ever. 3 boys' name. That's it. Last question. Did you hear the question? Last question. Name 3 boys' name. Go. People. No. Okay, that's Abdullah Ahmed is 2 names, right? Okay. Arlen, Jessel. It was supposed to be in English. This game is in English, so you have to give me 3 English names. Okay, Michael, Sam, John. Again, Abdul. Hold on a second. Let me. John, Josh, Jimmy, Arlen, Rodolphe, Jessel. I think Jessel Güzelim. I'm sorry, Jessel is not an English name. Okay, Ildos, you are finally the winner for the last question. Ildos is the winner for the last question. Okay. Sorry guys, I said give me 3 names. This game is supposed to be in English, and starting from the first question, we are asking the questions in English and answering in English. So the last question can be a little bit tricky. I said give me 3 boys' names. You cannot give me Mohammed and Jasur kind of names because they are not English names. Okay, so the winner is Ildos. Congratulations. Thank you very much guys. I had to go. My housemates are calling me for dinner. It's dinner time. So thanks for joining my live tonight. Okay, also one more thing. There are so many great, awesome, brilliant videos are yet to come. I'm planning to make so many great videos in the future as soon as this quarantine time, 14 days, are finished. I'm going to go out and make some great videos in London or in Cambridge or in England, anywhere. Okay, bye for now guys. Thank you for coming. Bye bye.